Hello, Ate Jen! Annyeong! Happy birthday! Pasensya ka na. Simple lang ang greetings ko sa'yo ngayong taon na to. Kita mo naman mag-isa lang ako. Tsaka wala akong nakuhang messages from your other friends and families back in Paranaque. Pero alam ko naman na super duper ma-appreciate mo pa rin tong greetings ko sa'yo this year. Ate, I just want to greet you a very happy birthday. Stay happy and stay healthy, lalong-lalo na te. Syempre, stay pretty, kagaya ko. At saka te, gusto ko malaman mo na thankful ako sa lahat-lahat ng ginagawa mo para sa akin, sa lahat ng mga pagpapayo mo, na kahit malayo ka sa akin, you're always there for me. Alam ko naman na, alam mo na I'm always here for you as well. So, God bless you always. More blessings from the Lord para you can be a blessing to others as well. Have a blast this year and have a wonderful birthday celebration with Kuya John. Say hi for me. Say hi to him for me. Huh? Thank you and I love you. I love you so much. I know na alam mo yon na kahit magkalayo tayo, nandito lang ako for you all the time. Promise, honesto. Sarang happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ate Jenny. Happy birthday to you. Sarang Bye. Annyeong. Happy birthday. Chup chup. Bye.